Going on, guys? Got a clogged garbage disposal, and it looks like we got some beans and who knows what else is in here. See if we turn it on, see what happens here. Nothing. Alright, so let's see if the old switch tripped, and it did. Right there, little reset button. Alright, so let me set this back in here so it doesn't fly up. And I'll hit the button again, flip the switch, see if it starts up. Nope, got a hummer. Alright, so get the old disposal wrench out here and unjam it. See if we got it here. Not yet. I have to get some WD to spray down in there. It's pretty tight. Alright, spray a little WD down here. We got it. Alright, let's try it out. There we go. Alright, that's unclogging a garbage disposal. See you on the next one.